Okay, so the other day we were talking about APA citations. APA citations. Alright, so I have the title of an article here. I replaced the authors because I wanted to show you what to do, and there's more than one author. But this is the original citation that I have from someone's worksheet. It is wrong. So I'm going to show you how to check to see if yours is correct. So here I have the original citation that I pulled from someone's worksheet, and this is the example that was given at the top of the paper. So I'm going to show you what you should be doing to check your citations. So the way I'm going to start is, okay, so it's the last name, and there's a comma, and it has the first initial, right, and a space, and the abbreviation of that name. So here we need to space, and we need to take that away. Okay, so I put a period. I need to put a comma, space. All right. And since we only have two authors, right? So this shows 1, 2, 3 authors. You put the ampersand after, or rather before, the last author. So that would go here, okay, space. And her name is Ariella R. Chernak. So I'm going to put that last name again. All right, last name, comma, space. All right, the first initial of the first name, A, period, space, and her middle name is R, period. Okay, so now I'm looking over here, right, this is my last author. I put the period. Okay, now I have to put a space. And I need to put the year in parentheses. So what year was it? 2007, good. And after the year, there should be a period, space. Okay, so now it comes to title of article. So if we take a look here, right, this is not italicized. It is not in quotes. Okay, so I'm just going to take the title, paste, and I said this a few times in class. Capitalization of titles, it should only capitalize the first letter of the first word. Okay, so that would be this. And the first word after a colon, so a colon is this. That's what a colon is. And proper nouns. Okay, so here we would have to take away each capital letter and replace it with a lowercase letter. Okay, I know that goes against everything that you've learned in your English classes, but this is how we do it in science. All right, so I have my title, right? And I'm going to put a period after that, even though there is already punctuation there. I still have to put that period. Okay, so what's next? It says title of periodical. It looks like it would be this. Okay, title of periodical. Remember, there's a space. Okay, and this should be italicized. Right, italicized. And notice we did not take the capital letters away from here because that is the title of the periodical. Okay, so after the title, I have the comma, okay, comma, space, and it says volume number. So I would take that, right? I'm not writing volume dot, I'm just putting, right? And this should also be italicized. Okay, so after it says volume number, I'm going to take the issue number, right? So it says this would be my issue number, but I'm not going to write number 8. I'm going to, and notice there's no space here, right? There's no space right there. I'm going to make it unitalicized, right? I'm going back to regular, parentheses, it said issue number 8, close parentheses, and I need a comma. Okay, and then there's a space. And I do not write pages, I do not write P, right? I'm just putting the page numbers. Okay, paste, and I need a period at the end of that. So this is how you should be going through your citations and checking to see if they are correct. All right, so my recommendation would be that you take this and you paste it next to your original so that you can check back and forth easily.